Alright, so let's talk about the UGC content creation, which is known as the user generated content creation. So in this type of content, all we do is to show the users what the video or the product is about. Do you understand? So you have to explain in details using your visuals to explain in details for your audience to see whatever you are promoting. And for this, we use it for skincare brand, we use it for fashion brand also, we use it for unboxing of a product, we use it for informational videos. Do you understand? Let's say someone is not feeling fine and there's a product the person has to use to make sure he or she gets healthy, so we can do a user generated video, which is a user generated content, whichever one. It's those kind of videos that tells the users what they are going to do with that product. And these are like commercial videos, the ones we see on our TVs and on all professional platforms of those big companies. They also love user generated content. Okay, so if you are working towards being an influencer for a brand, then you must know how to create user generated content. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you the types of things you include in your user generated content, and I'm also explain what user generated contents are, and I'll also show you a simple edit on user generated content. And in that, you can use any kind or any type of video to do it. So one of the things that you must see or you must show in your user generated content, the first thing, you unbox the product. So in your user generated content, anytime you're editing or recording such content, you must first of all show us the unboxing of that product. So maybe it's the furniture you're unboxing, maybe it's a gadget you just bought, maybe you're trying to show us the detail of the fabric. You must show us how you first of all unbox that project. Then the next thing you are now going to show us is the holding of the product. Yes, you are going to hold the product by either showing us that you are using the product or what the product is going to be used for. You have to demonstrate that in that video. You record that process, so you show us in the editing. So when it comes out, we see such in that video. So the user generated content must have those kind of content. First of all, you unboxing the product. The next thing is you talking about the product by holding it or explaining something about the product. Then the other thing is how to use the product. Then the next thing is to show us how to use the product. So you must definitely show us how to use the product. Maybe is a chair you are unboxing, you show us how to sit on the product. If it is a cream you are unboxing, you show us how to use the cream. If it is a dress you are unboxing, you have to show us how the dress will look like on our body, or when someone puts it on, how it will look like. Do you understand? So the fourth thing is product in use. You have to show us you using the product or a user using the product. So sometimes you might not necessarily record yourself doing that, but you can also get clips on those free websites where you can get free stocks about people using those kind of concepts to explain in your user generated content that yes, you have to show us you using that product, like a person is actually using that product. Do you understand? So that's it. Then the fifth thing which you must definitely show is product special features. So the fifth thing you show us is the product special features. What other criteria or what other thing does the product have that makes it different from other products? You must show us in that video. So these 5 things must be included in your user generated content to make it a user generated video. Do you understand? So if you have this, then you have created a user generated content. So this is what they call the UGC content. I hope this video is self-explanatory and you get into the main point. Alright, see you in the next video.